Dive into the world of aerial excitement with the 3-in-1 Foam Fighter Toy Airplane. Crafted for fun-filled adventures, this toy airplane is more than just a flight enthusiast's dream. Whether you're gliding smoothly, soaring to incredible heights, or engaging in mock aerial combat, this versatile toy offers 3 exhilarating modes to ensure endless entertainment.
Ever since I got this peeler, I can't believe how much easier cooking got. It's the perfect tool for prepping veggies for my meals, and I absolutely love it. Plus, it's so easy to clean and store.
Each feature, from the high-pressure spray to the easy-to-use handle, makes your bathroom experience nothing short of heaven. Wait for it. Pow! That's the sound of the high-pressure spray, giving you the ultimate refreshing experience.
Got wax? This earwax cleaning kit is the perfect solution. It's quick, easy, and doesn't hurt a bit. Clear ears, here we come.